Welcome to this tutorial on creating a timeline in PowerPoint quickly and effectively. To begin, open PowerPoint on your computer and locate the presentation in which you would like to include a timeline. This initial step is essential for ensuring you work within the correct document and have access to editing features. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. The Insert tab contains a variety of elements you can add to your slide, such as images, shapes, and charts. In this guide, we will focus on creating a chart that will serve as your timeline. After clicking the Insert tab, look for the chart option and click on it. This action brings up a collection of different chart styles available within PowerPoint. The next step involves selecting the type of chart that best mimics the structure of a timeline. Scroll through the options until you find the XY scatter chart category and choose this option. The XY scatter chart allows you to plot data along an X and Y axis, which fits perfectly for creating a timeline where the years are established along one axis. You will then be prompted to add your data values. At this point, it is important that you add the years you wish to display on your timeline as the X values. By assigning the years to the horizontal axis, your timeline will visually communicate progress over time. In conjunction with this, enter 0 as the Y value for all entries. This simple technique ensures that the markers for each year are aligned along a horizontal line, reinforcing the appearance of a timeline. Once you are satisfied with these entries, click OK to generate your chart on the slide. With your chart now visible, you will want to adjust its appearance so that the timeline effect is even clearer. Start by resizing the chart horizontally. This elongation spreads out the years, making the progression more evident and ensuring that there is enough room for any additional details you plan to add later. After making the chart fit your slide properly, it is time to refine the numerical details by removing unnecessary decimals. Open the Axis Options panel to access a range of customization settings. Within the panel, go to the Numbers section and look for the Category setting. Change this setting to Number and adjust the decimal option to 0. Also remember to uncheck the option for the thousand separator to keep the numbers clean and uncluttered. After numerical adjustments are complete, move on to customizing the tick marks so that the chart becomes even more visually appealing. Access the tick marks section and select the cross option for both major and minor types. This creates a neat intersection effect for your tick marks along the timeline. Next, focus on editing the markers on your timeline. Start by opening the drop down under Chart Options and select Series Y values. Then navigate to the Marker tab and begin customizing the appearance. In the fill section, choose a color that fits your overall design theme, and then increase the marker size to help them stand out. To increase the marker size further, move on to marker options and choose the built-in option, then adjust the size of the markers as desired. Finally, it is time to add some context to your timeline by inserting text boxes that describe each year's significance. Return to the Insert tab and choose the text box option. Click on your slide where you want the text box to appear, then type in the specific year along with a brief highlight or explanation that corresponds to that time period. To give these text boxes a refined look, open the Shape Format tab and click on Shape Outline. From there, choose a border color that harmonizes with your design. Repeat this process for all the years in your timeline to create a cohesive and informative visual display. By following these instructions, you will have successfully created a timeline in PowerPoint that is both clear and visually appealing. Enjoy enhancing your presentation with this dynamic and easy to create timeline.